Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
Install the Microsoft Excel app from your phone store and sign in with an account. Allow the app to access files and contacts so it can open local and cloud workbooks. Open your workbook from OneDrive, Google Drive, or local storage to begin editing immediately. Tap the sheet name at the bottom to switch sheets. Use portrait or landscape orientation for better cell visibility and adjust zoom with pinch gestures. Tap any cell and use the on-screen keyboard to enter text, numbers, or formulas. Use standard formulas like equals sum, A1, A10, and equals average B2, B20. Formulas recalculate automatically when values change. Resize columns by dragging headers and apply formatting from the home ribbon for bold, color, and number formats. Turn on autosave for files stored in cloud services, or manually save local files to preserve changes before closing the app. Share the workbook with collaborators using the share icon and set whether they can edit or view. Use version history to review and restore previous versions if accidental changes occur or if you need an earlier copy. Sync problems often resolve by checking your phone storage and cloud account quota and reconnecting to Wi-Fi. If the file shows conflict copies, choose the latest timestamped version to merge or replace duplicates and then re-upload to the cloud.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.